All right, I am going to show you in today's video a way that you can deploy a smart contract onto pretty much every different Ethereum or Ethereum layer 2 network. So if you're trying to farm airdrops, this is a great way to set your wallet apart from the others by actually creating your own smart contract. Now, I've previously showed a video of how you can do this using the ThirdWeb application, but some people had commented saying that ThirdWeb is a little bit of a cheat because they actually deploy the contract and then transfer it to you to control. Whereas using this application, Remix, it's a bit more complicated, but you are literally the creator of the smart contract. So let's get right into it. So for starters, under project templates, they have a bunch of different options and you can scroll through to see what they are. So you're gonna want to create an ERC20 token. So select this one right here that says ERC20 by OpenZeppelin. Next, click over here where it says mytoken.sol. And this is going to open up the contract. Next, click over here on this button that says Solidity Compiler, and then click this button that says Compile mytoken.sol. Next, click on this button down here that says Deploy and Run Transactions. And up at the top under Environment, you're going to want to select Injected Provider-MetaMask. Then it's going to ask you to connect your wallet so you can go ahead and do that. The next step is to open up your wallet and select the network that you want to deploy it to. So I don't recommend doing it on Ethereum mainnet because it's going to be way more expensive. And really, if you're going to want to do this for airdrop farming purposes, you want to focus on networks that don't yet have a token and probably will airdrop. So I'm going to deploy one on Scroll, but there's other good targets in here as well. And you could also do it on testnets that are incentivized, like the Bearchain testnet, for example. Anyways, I'm going to deploy this on the Scroll network. Now, the next step is to just hit this orange button down here that says deploy. Then it's going to pop up in your wallet asking you to confirm this transaction, and there will be a fee for doing this. So currently the gas fee on the Scroll network is charging me just under $2, $1.81. So let's go ahead and confirm this transaction. And that's it. When the contract is deployed, it will show up down here with a little green check mark. And if you want to, you can open up the Blockchain Explorer and you can see the contract that you created. So yeah, that is pretty much it. And shout out to this guy, Myrionyx on Twitter, for showing me how this actually works. And I have just transferred that into video format for you. So go give him a follow.